Good morning, leopards. Good morning, how are you today? I'm very well, I thank you, it's time to work and play. We haven't sung that hello song for a while now. Let's have a look at our calendar. It is Friday, the 8th, the month is May, the season is autumn. Let's sing our days of the week song. There are 7 days a week, let us count them 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 2. Thursday, Friday, just for you. Saturday, Sunday, that's the end. Then we start all over again. If today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday. And tomorrow it will be weekend. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Yes, that's right. Can you still remember our month song? Let's see. Clap with me while we sing. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Well done, guys. Do you know a song about baking? Who can remember this song? I'm going to do the actions and you try and guess what it is. Do you know? Patter cake. Let's do patter cake because today is Friday and Friday means baking day. Let's do our patter cake. Patter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Again, patter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Yes, and what about our season song about the autumn leaves? All the leaves are turning brown, falling down to the ground. All the leaves are turning brown because it's autumn. Pick them up and throw them high to the sky, watch them fly. All the leaves are turning brown because it's autumn. That's right. Now today I want to teach you a nursery rhyme. I'm sure that you've heard this one before. It's called 5 Brown Buns. Friday is our baking day and we've done patter cake baker's man. So now we're going to do another baking one and it goes like this. 5 brown buns in the baker's shop. Big and round with sugar on the top. Along came Jack with money to pay. Thank you, Jack. He took a brown bun and ate it right away. So how many left? There were 5. Now there are 4. 4 brown buns in the baker's shop. Big and round with sugar on the top. Along came a Santa with money to pay. Thank you, Mrs. Santa. She took a brown bun and ate it right away. So now there are only 3 brown buns in the baker's shop. Big and round with sugar on the top. Along came Margot with money to pay. She took a brown bun and ate it right away. So how many left? 2. 2 brown buns in the baker's shop. Big and round with sugar on the top. Along came Sam with money to pay. He took a brown bun and ate it right away. So how many left? Just 1. 1 brown bun in the baker's shop. Big and round with sugar on the top. Along came Milo with money to pay. And he took a brown bun and ate it right away. I like that one. So will you remember, it's 5 brown buns in the baker's shop, big and round with sugar on the top. Then along came somebody with money to pay and they took the brown bun and they ate it straight away. And teacher will put on a baking video for you And our baking for the day is all about making Play-Doh. Just like the Baker Man, you can make Play-Doh so that you can make your own 5 brown buns for a picnic for your teddies outside. So tell Mommy and Daddy to have a look at the baking video later. All right. Now, I want to take a pause here because for the rest of today's ring, you need a scrap piece of paper. It doesn't have to be a plain white paper. Any scrap piece of paper to draw on. And you need either cookies or crayons. So I'll pause, I'll give you time, or pause the video and go and fetch a paper and cookies or crayons. Off you go. Welcome back, guys. Do you have your paper and your crayons or pencils or cookies? All right, here is our bucket of crayons. Now, before we start, I want to make sure you all remember the names of the colors. So let's start with this one. See if you've got the same color as this. I've got 2 different ones. I've got a light one and a dark one. Can you remember the name for this color, Isla?
It's blue.
Well done, Isla. All right, so put your blue one aside and then find me this color. Sometimes this color also comes as a light and a dark. So go and find me this color. Isla, what color is this?
It's green.
Yes, thank you. We've got blue, we've got green. Ooh, what about this one? This is a class favorite, and it's always the color that's first to finish. And I know one of the boys in our class love this color. What color is this, Isla?
Red.
Red, well done. Put your red aside. What about this color? Such a happy color. Isla, what's the name?
Yellow.
Yellow, yes. And what about this one? Do you have this color in your pile?
Orange.
Orange, yes. We've got lots of colors, but we still need some of the girl favorites. What color is this? Can you see, guys? It's quite dark from far away. I'll tell the friends, what color do we have?
Purple.
Purple. See if you've got a purple and put it aside. And this one?
Pink. My sister's favorite color.
Yes, pink. And then you might also have some brown. And some
black.
Right, I think that's the majority of the colors. Now, take your colors and we are going to count them one at a time. Careful, don't get confused because you might not have the same as me. You might have less or you might have more. So let's count how many we've got. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. That's an odd number to have. I'm going to add one more. I'll add some peach. So now I've got 12 colors. Yes. All right. So now that we've revised our colors, we're going to play a game. You can use any of the colors. Let me get my paper. I'll put the colors there. So pick a color. It can be any color. You've got to listen carefully to teacher's rhyme because the rhyme is going to tell you what you need to draw. When you start fairly at the top of your paper so you've got space to carry on drawing below that. Okay, so listen. We are going to draw a monster. This is called Draw a Monster Rhyme Story. When you draw a monster, it is said that you always start with the head. Did you hear the rhyming? Said and Head. So go on, draw a head for your monster. It's a monster, so it doesn't have to be an oval or a circle. You can decide what you want to draw. Then if you want, you can swap colors after the head. When you draw a monster, it is said you always begin with his head. Okay. You ready? Next one. He'll be able to see when he flies if you draw him great bright eyes. So draw some eyes for your monster. Don't make them too small or you won't be able to see. Right. He'll be able to see when he flies if you draw him two bright eyes. Okay, next one. To tell which way the cold wind blows, our monster will need a great big nose. Yes, draw a nose for your monster. Don't copy my monster.
I'm not copying your monster. That's a very long nose.
Okay, are all your noses done? Let's listen what's next. Look to the north and look to the south. Now we can give our monster a
mouth.
Mouth. Draw a mouth. Don't draw teeth yet. It's coming. Just draw the mouth. Okay. Look to the north and look to the south. Now we can give our monster a mouth. Okay. Let's carry on. Some up above and some beneath. Our monster has lots of teeth. So draw some teeth now. Some up above and some beneath. Our monster has lots of teeth. All right. Now, under his chin, let's just check that where we should put his neck. Check a neck rhyme. So put in a neck for your monster. It can be long or short, fat or thin. It can be skewed, it can be straight. You can decide. Okay. And so he won't be tipsy-toddy. Let's give your monster a polka dot body. So draw a body with polka dots. Polka dots are little circles, guys. You can have big dots, small dots, you can have many dots or just a few dots, you can decide. You can even have dots in different colors. I'll give you some time here. There we go. Are you done with your polka dot body? If he really, really begs, I guess we could give him some legs. Well done. Legs and begs rhyme. So draw some legs for your monster. Remember, it's a monster, so it can have any number of legs. And also any shapes or sizes, I guess. Right, you're done with your legs. Let's try. To make our monster nice and neat, we'll have to teach him to wipe his
feet.
Yes, feet. Neat and feet rhyme. So go on, draw some feet at the bottom of the legs. I quite like my monster so far.
Me too.
So cute. You all done with your feet? A notice sent by email said, don't forget to add a tail. Email, tail. Those are rhyming words, so go on, add a tail for your monster. He isn't fierce, he isn't hairy, but don't you think your monster looks a bit scary? Look at teacher's monster. Isla, what does yours look like? Bring it a bit forward. Here we go. Please ask Mommy to take a photograph of your monster and to upload it to Google Drive. It will be awesome. Then I can put it together and I can have a look at everybody's monsters. Well done, guys. Now, before we finish, I want to give you yesterday's answer for the green bag. Yesterday I asked you, would you rather go for a jog with a jellyfish or would you rather juggle with jelly? And I've thought about this one long and hard, and I've actually decided I will rather juggle with jelly because I'll only juggle a little bit and then I'll rather start eating the jelly. Yummy, 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 yummy. My favorite jelly is orange jelly. Okay, so let's have a look what today's paper is. Oh, funny one. Think of a name for your monster. So Mommy can write the name of your monster somewhere on your paper. Then teacher can see the name of your monster. Thanks for joining me for Ring today. Thanks, Isla, for helping Mommy.
Bye.
Bye, leopards. Remember the baking ring later. Bye.